Hey people, super quick video, Fourby4diesel Sundays. We're doing a bit of a mower service. So clean the air filter the old school way, just the way Dad taught me. We're in a stinking petrol. Cleans it really well, look how clean that is. And then wring it out with oil, and that's re-oiling it, any engine oil, whatever. A new spark plug. I don't really like Champion plugs, I prefer NGK, but that's what Bunnings sell. And of course an oil change. You can drain it out this way, but this is certainly where you fill it up. I'll show you where I've drained it. This is the Briggs Stratton motor. Let's get in the back here. There you go. So you got a drain plug under there, right? And that's the container. They take about 600 mil from memory. And there's a little drain plug. You just use the end of your 3/8 drive ratchet to crack that open. So you can drain it from there, or you can drain it from here by just tipping it sideways this way. Just as easy. If you've got a 2-blade with a flat bar across it, it's easy to do the drain the oil underneath. If you've got the big rotor on there, the big round rotor plate with 2 or 4 blades, whatever the case may be, you need to remove that out the way. So you can just tip it up, tip it out this side, but make sure you've got that off when you tip it up, otherwise you can fill the exhaust with oil. And that's a quick video for a Sunday, Fourby4diesel Sundays, bit of maintenance. I'll give you a little bit more, and there's a much longer video coming tonight that's important as well about oil changes. And you maybe should be doing an oil change on your lawnmower rather than your motor vehicle, perhaps. Very important one not to miss. Primer, 3 pumps, they reckon. These things, they always start. They've always got spark. Spark never fails. It's good to put a new plug every now and then. The other one was a bit old and carboned up. Like I said, that's what they sold. Otherwise, it'd have the NGK in there every time, made in Japan. Anyway, what happens here is this currently is in a situation where it's either very hard to start or won't start. And I'm not an expert on this, but I can tell you now, I believe it's to do with the carby and the gasket on it. So you replace the gasket, and I think that sorts out. There must be a spring and the gasket stretches or something. Someone put in the comments if you know about Briggs and Stratton engines. I've got a fair idea what's going on. Basically, right now, to start it really easy, take the screw out, remove the air filter, a quick spray of carby cleaner, and it starts first go. So it's certainly definitely not getting fuel. A little spray of that, and Bob's your uncle, and once it's running, beautiful. Anyway, told you a quick video, that's it. What else I got for you? We've got other videos, Fourby4diesel Sundays, off-topic stuff that you might learn something, save you some money as well. Catch you on the next video. See you, people.